Hi all. Already I have discussed types of vectors, difference between scalar quantity and vector quantities, how a vector can be represented, and how a vector can be represented using unit vector in my previous classes. So this is my fifth classes in vector. So this is very important because whatever I have discussed so far, now I am going to give an example. Suppose I want to represent this vector. Let's say this is my OA vector, whose value is 5 meter, and it is making an angle 60 degree with horizontal axis. So already I have mentioned in my previous video, this is my positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis, or this is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. So no need to discuss much about this. Just concentrate here. OA vector is making an angle 60 degree with the positive x-axis. So what I'll do, how to represent this vector from this diagram. So I will resolve this OA vector into two different components. Already I have mentioned in my previous video. So my suggestion is never bunk any of my video classes, else you cannot understand, because these are sequel. I'm making it with utmost care, and it's a very less time consuming video, maybe within 10 to 12 minutes, which you can easily understand and learn. So OA is the vector. I want to resolve it into x-axis and y-axis. So what I am interested to find it out, OAx and OAy. So what is my OAx? Already I have mentioned in my previous video. जिस साइड को एंगल लगा हुआ है, एंगल लगा हुआ साइड हो जाएगा बेस और वो हो जाएगा cos. So this will become OA cos 60. So OAx equal to OA cos 60. How it is coming? Just watch my video. Vector 4. This is vector 5 video. So OA cos 60. OA value is 5 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So this will be 5 by 2 meter. And always right. Similarly OAy. जिस साइड को थीटा लगा नहीं वो हो जाएगा साइन. OA sin 60. So OAy equal to OA sin 60, which is equal to OA is 5 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this will become 5 by 2 root 3 meter. So I will get two components. This is 5 by 2 and this is 5 root 3 by 2 for OA. So what does it mean? If you understand a graph, I want to reach here. So it has two components, x and y. For this point, it has two components, x and y. So I want to go from O and reach at A. What I'll do, I'll go 5 by 2 units per meter along positive x-axis, and look, from origin to right side, it's positive x-axis. Positive x-axis. So I'll go from O to, let's say this is B, which is along positive x-axis by a unit 5 by 2 or by a distance 5 by 2 meter. Then I take a right turn perpendicularly. It must be perpendicular. Then I'll go in negative y-axis direction by a distance of 5 root 3 by 2. By a distance of 5 root 3 by 2. Then I reach at a point A. So this is 5 by 2, this is 5 root 3 by 2, and this is 90 degree. So from Pythagoras theorem, I can easily prove OA equal to OB square plus BA square root over. This is famous Pythagoras theorem because this is a right angle triangle. I'll test it. But I want to represent OA. So OA vector equal to OAx along x-axis. So along positive x-axis. X-axis unit vector along x-axis is I cap. Unit vector along y-axis is j cap. Unit vector along z-axis is k cap. But z-axis is like this only. Three-dimensional. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis towards you. So OA vector equal to OAx I cap plus. Okay, I am not sure whether it is plus or minus, but blindly one can write. If OA vector is OAx, I can directly put OAy must be there, and that should be j cap, because basically I am considering x and y axis. I am not considering z axis. It's a two-dimensional thing. You should be thorough with the two-dimensional vector first. So OAx I cap and OAy j cap. But I have to test what is the direction of OAy. Direction of OAy is down the negative y-axis. So that will be minus, negative y-axis is minus. So I can write OA vector equal to OAX is your 5 by 2 meter, 5 by 2 I cap, minus OAY is your 5 by 2 root 3, 5 by 2 root 3. See, this is my vector. This is my required expression for representation of a vector. But the most important thing is, this is a vector, how to find the magnitude. Whenever I am writing a vector like this, suppose this is a vector whose unit is 5 meter, I am writing a vector equal to 5 I cap meter. Why I am writing 5 I cap meter? Because I am fixing my origin here, from origin to right side, positive x-axis. So I cap represent, it is along positive x-axis, and 5 represent its magnitude. So how I am writing magnitude? A vector equal to 5 meter. But now it's important to find the magnitude of this. How I can find? Look, this is the formula from Pythagoras theorem. So I can directly write OA vector magnitude equal to OA equal to 5 by 2 square plus 5 by root 3. Sorry, 5 root 3 by 2 square whole root over. Remember one trick, minus sign has no role about reducing or increasing the magnitude of a vector. It just assigns the direction. Minus 5 by 2 root 3 j cap means it is along negative y-axis. If it would be plus, then it would be along positive y-axis. So remember this. So whenever you are getting a vector like I cap plus j cap, just take the coefficient of I cap and j cap, take their square, add them, and the root over, you will get the desired result or the unit. I can easily prove it. I am doing this here. I am erasing it out. I am interested to calculate the magnitude of OA in reverse way so that I can check. So OA vector equal to 5 by 2 square, 5 root 3 by 2 square. So I am taking OA equal to, look, 5 by 2 square. This will be okay. I am keeping it as 5 square by 2 square plus this one 5 square by 2 square root 3 whole square root over. So it's very clear that 5 by 2 square is common. So I can take 5 square by 2 square common. So it will become 1 plus square of root 3 will be 3 root over. So from 5 square I can take 5. From 2 square I can take 2 outside. Now inside it will be 4. Now 5 by 2 root over of 4 is 2. So it's 5. So I got OA equal to 5 meter. It means what I have written so far, it is exactly correct. My left hand side OA equal to 5 meter, and my right hand side OA vector equal to 5 by 2 I cap minus 5 by 2 root 3 j cap. They both are same. So my point is, I have discussed so much things. If you are not understanding, please feel free to call me on my WhatsApp number 9090700977. Else you can watch this video repeatedly, and after watching, please solve some questions. If you are not getting any question, then also you can WhatsApp me on my number. So basically, if I am representing a vector like this, A vector equal to AX I cap plus AY j cap, then magnitude of vector A will be AX square plus AY square root over directly. Even if it is minus, okay, I am not making it clumsy, I am taking it plus. So now I am representing this vector AX I cap. So along positive x axis I have to go by a distance of AX, and along positive y axis I have to go by a distance of AY. So this is my A vector. Let's say theta. Let A is making an angle theta with AX. So I want to look in vector, it will give me magnitude. Also I have to find the direction of A vector. I mean along which direction A vector is moving. Previously it has given OA vector is going at an angle 60 degree with positive x axis. Here let A vector is making an angle theta with respect to AX. So how to find out? Very simple thing. This is 90 degree. Take tan theta. Tan theta equal to P by B. So tan theta equal to AY by AX. So theta equal to tan inverse AY by AX. So this is the basic formula, and believe me, when I will do vector addition problems, again I am going to discuss everything. But please understand the two important things. One is Pythagoras theorem. This A vector magnitude should be AX square plus AY square root over according to Pythagoras theorem. This is H, this is base, this is perpendicular. So h square equal to p square plus b square. This is very, very important. And also you can find the direction. Because it's a vector quantity, you have to find direction. While adding two vectors or while multiplying two vectors, angle between two vectors plays a very, very important role. But here, I can write in different way also. This is my ax I cap. This is my ay j cap. So angle between them is 90 degree. So this is my resultant A vector and this is theta. And I have found tan theta equal to ay by ax. So theta equal to tan inverse ay by ax. If somebody may ask, sir, if I am taking a vector is ax I cap minus ax j cap, what will be my direction? Okay, draw a problem. I mean draw a diagram. So this is my ax I cap positive minus ay, sorry, this is ay minus ay j cap. So from origin to downward. Why? This is negative y-axis, that's why I am going downward. If it would be positive y-axis, I can go like this. So this is my vector A. Now this is theta. But again you can find tan theta equal to p by b. This is 90 degree, this is base, this is perpendicular. P by b, that is ay by ax. So remember, negative sign has no role in deriving or estimating the value of a vector, its magnitude and direction. It only gives the direction along which direction it is moving or passing. Thank you. Hope you are clear. In my next video, I will go for dot product and cross product. Thank you.